I am a school teacher, and I'm the most tattooed man in France. All my body is covered in tattoos from head to toe. 35,000 pounds and 460 hours under the needle transformed my body into an artistic canvas. But my appearance sparked controversy. Banned from teaching, parents claimed I gave their children nightmares. The school administration banned me from the premises, branding me as a misfit, a disruption to the learning environment. I faced harsh judgment and prejudice based solely on my appearance. They saw tattoos but failed to see the dedicated teacher underneath. They saw rebellion but not a heart filled with compassion and a genuine love for education. But as the saying goes, don't judge a book by its cover. Behind these colorful designs lies a man with an unwavering commitment to nurturing young minds. My tattoos are not a reflection of my character or my ability to teach. They are a reflection of my passion for self-expression. While the doors of traditional education closed on me, I refused to let their closed-mindedness define my worth. I embraced my uniqueness and turned to alternative forms of education. I founded my own online platform, offering interactive lessons that celebrated diversity, creativity, and individuality. My journey as the most tattooed man in France has been one of resilience and breaking down stereotypes. I've learned that true education goes beyond the walls of a classroom and the judgments of others. It's about embracing our differences and celebrating the richness they bring to our lives. I may have been banned from a school, but I will forever remain a teacher, guiding others to find their own voice, their own path, and their own vibrant colors in a world that often tries to dim them. Let's celebrate diversity and rewrite the narratives of beauty and education. Let's embrace our uniqueness. Together, we can create a world without boundaries.